Hi to everyone, my name is Ronald Aldana and my partner is,
Kevin Franco.
and we are going to talk about the present and future of telecommunications. Nowadays, the telecommunication industry has marked a path in the humanity. From radio to satellite, telecommunications are now a necessity from being informed, being in contact with others around the world, distract yourself, etc. But in the future, telecommunications will be different and simple, so everybody can manage them in an easy way. Nowadays, telecommunications are necessary in human life because it simplifies life in many aspects. For example, before internet appeared, people used to send letters to their families and friends in other countries, and the letters were delivered weeks later. But now, with the facility of internet, you can be in contact with any time with your computer, cell phone or smart TV and any other devices that use internet. The ways of telecommunication in the actuality are radio, TV, telephone, cell phone, internet, optical fiber, wireless and satellite. People use radio to be informed about news, listen music, sport games and radio shows. This is the cheaper way to be informed. The TV is used to watch news, sports, educational programs, cartoons, movies, listen music, etc. The telephone is the most owned telecommunication in houses. It's used to make calls with others. The cell phone has been improving from being used as a way to talk with others as a principal function, but now it's used as a radio, TV, computer, or game for being distracted. This device is the most sold in the entire world and is convenient to carry. The internet is the most important technological advance in telecommunications that has made an impact in human society. This improvement in technology has simplified life in many aspects because we can communicate with others around the world quickly, read news, watch videos, etc. It's like have all the ways of telecommunication in one. Can be in computers, cell phone, tablet, smart TV or game consoles. Optical fiber is a cable that has taken important part in the internet growing, provide cheaper bandwidth from long distance communications. The satellite is used like a hotspot in telecommunications. It's also used like GPS. But in the future, with the improving of technology and the telecommunication will be better.
In the future, develop infrastructure based on cloud computing technology, while the cloud is a logical evolution of the internet and allows companies to manage the phenomenon of the big data according to their needs. Customized, safe, and reliable service in corporations. Adapting the mobile network area by developing gigabytes broadband infrastructure with a high traffic. The ultimate goal is to reduce the average time used to transport information between 2 points. Evolve to next generation network and achieve all IP convergence between fixed and mobile network. This means complete service migration, their connectivity and change both operational and maintenance. Providing intelligent networks and operation bandwidth on demand, helping to optimize service efficiency and reduce cost. Modernize IT system operators to withstand the process from start to finish, from design and product development to launch in the market and distribution, that is operation support system OSS and the business support BSS. Integrate and develop cross-platform digital content, mobile, PC, TV, that also work on demand, as an increasing percentage of the population consume and generate content through the network of networks. Analyze the large volume of information and draw conclusions to help gain competitivity, advantage and differentiation beyond traditional management system. Ensuring information security and business user and their privacy, something that is conditioned by the existence of open IP networks and the popularity of virtual storage models. Implement intelligent optical networks to replace the copper wire. Offer better options for development, maintenance, and troubleshooting. With these expectations, the future of telecommunication will be improved, our society and the world. Thanks.